Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So guys, today I'm going to be doing a fairly big Louis Vuitton unboxing. So if you guys want to see what I got from Louis Vuitton in this holiday season, I'm going to go ahead and show you guys what I got because I've been dying. Alright guys, so let's do it. Let's see what's in here. This really cute tiny little bag. This is a little one. This is actually from a recent purchase for Christmas. I got this with holiday. This, though, on the other hand, is actually how my fragrances came. We're gonna go into what I first got for my birthday. Yeah, that was back in October. Pete's creeping around here. Alright, so this first little item here I want to share and show these things to you guys. And I've been waiting and waiting. So I have this first one. So we're going to open it up. It comes like this. Pull out in the drawer. Comes in a little dust bag like this. And we're actually going out to dinner, so I'm going to wear this tonight. I got the Louis Vuitton Continental bracelet. And I believe I got this in a size 17. It's so cute and dainty. Perfect. It's just in the monogram canvas with a gold clasp with like a little button. Like this. Second thing we're gonna go into. My camera is threatening to die. Just my luck. It's typical. But it comes in a box like this. And shopping with my essay here during my birthday was an amazing experience. He was super nice. He was super friendly. We chit-chatted about like art and photography and stuff like that, and working and bags and stuff, but it was a lot of fun, and it was everything that I could expect it to be going in or shopping or planning to go to shop to one of those luxury high-end stores like that, like Louis Vuitton. So it gave what it was supposed to give that trip. Okay, this one looks like this. Yes, here she is. She's so gorgeous. I'm finally getting to enjoy my things and I love it, but I wanted to do this with you on camera so I can make a video and film it for you guys, just me opening it. I'm probably gonna do another like more in-depth review and styling and showcasing some of these, but for right now it's just my unboxing for right now. So yeah, it just has LV, and I actually could wear this out tonight, but I just did my hair, so I'm not messing up this braid up right now, girls. So once my essay that I was working with knew that I wanted to come back and I eventually wanted to get this next item that I'm going to show you guys, I couldn't make the trip because of weather. It would literally take us probably 4 hours to get there instead of the typical 2. So I decided not to go all the way down to that location, and I just decided to stay up here closest to my Louis Vuitton store, which just happens to be at my local mall. So I decided that I was going to go ahead and just say, okay, I'm not able to shop with the essay that I am comfortable with, feel like that I know my business is going to be appreciated and valued, but really enjoy shopping with this essay. So I was like, you know what, that's a bummer, but you know, it's my Christmas gift and I want to at least try and get my gift on time. So I'm just going to go ahead and I'm going to get them here. I'm going to just go to the Saks Louis Vuitton up here. Oh my God. All right, guys. So this next big old bag, that's humongous. All right, you guys know what it is? Do you think you can guess? It's pretty heavy. It's not a bag. I'm so excited to be opening these. So yes, I did get the Louis Vuitton Laureate Desert Platform boot. They come like this. You do get 2 dust bags. Each boot comes in its own bag. You guys know that already. But I did not want another black boot. No. And I got them in the color beige. But yeah, absolutely love these boots. These are gorgeous. They are absolutely stunning. And I knew I wanted them the second I saw them, just even out or on someone or even just online as they would surface. And I wouldn't see them often, but when I would, I was like... Alright, so I took some of the plastic and the foam tissue out. This is what the boot looks like without the wrapping. Now the laces you can wear tied up in the front, But you see here, even how they come, the laces are wrapped around the boot. I do plan to wear mine like that, but a lot of girls say with this color, it leaves a stain. Like it leaves a black leather mark. So I don't know exactly how I'm gonna wear these boots, or if there's like a protectant or something I can put on these, but they're so gorgeous. Oh my God. You have the LV on the back of the boot. So you get a beautiful rubber lug sole. You get your Louis Vuitton monogram LV right in here. You do have some different suede colors here on the side, and then you have it stitched with leather on the back of the boot, and as well on the front of the toe here, right here on the top. It is also black leather, and then you also have your canvas monogram print, and then your suede on the toe as well. Your shoestrings are also leather. How beautiful. And I just can't wait to style and wear and rock these. But like I said, I am filming this at nighttime, you guys, so I just really wanted to get this video out for you guys, and I really wanted to show and open them for you so that I can style them and wear them into like the next video. So I just really wanted you guys to see what I picked up, or pretty much like just what I got over the holiday. I did not go out and get all this at one time, but yes, this was Christmas and my birthday. So I also got a size 6.5. But a lot of people said that this was a narrow boot and it runs kind of small, so I went with a 6.5. So, but yeah. Alright guys, that's gonna have to wrap it up for this video. Guys, if you enjoyed, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Mwah.